Welcome to Baazy Gym, where every step you take is a stride towards perfect health and growth. Our philosophy revolves around fostering a holistic approach to well-being, nurturing both body and mind to unlock your fullest potential. At Baazy Gym, we believe in savoring the pain and embracing the challenge, for it is through adversity that true strength is forged. Our dedication to your success knows no bounds, as we provide not just a gym, but a lifestyle destination committed to sculpting the best version of you. Step into our state-of-the-art facility and feel the energy pulsating through every corner. Break a sweat with our diverse range of equipment, guided by expert trainers who are passionate about helping you redefine your limits. From dynamic classes to personalized training sessions, we offer the tools and support you need to achieve your fitness goals. Join us at Baazy Gym and embark on a journey to a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant you. Together, let's build a perfect foundation for a lifetime of growth and well-being.